Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My idea for today is to arrange my wreath for the Halloween season. I found these floral picks at the Dollar Tree that I would like to use on my wreath. I have Daguerreotypes daisies, roses with eyeballs and spiders, Tweedia, marigolds, and this one. It doesn't have a name, so I don't know what it is called, but I did find them all at the Dollar Tree. The base for my wreath is this 18-inch grapevine wreath that I had sprayed with black paint. I think that you will like to use the Daguerreotypes daisies as the base. I think it'll look pretty. This is Aurelia back again. I have this drinking cup, actually it's a drinking skull I think you'd call it, that I found at Dollar Tree that I'm going to use for my floral arrangement today. The flowers that I'm going to use are this here, aster, pretty purple color. I have some blue roses. Actually, they're blue purple roses. I have some pansies and the mystery flower again. Let's start our arrangement. Do you want to go ahead and trim your flowers down? Probably go about right there, maybe about 8 inches. I'm just going to trim all the way down to the base, and then I can always adjust or recut it if I need a shorter stem. Oops, my skull. Go ahead and just trim them all. I'll go ahead and just trim all my flowers. There we go. There's that one. Here's the blue roses. I think it's a nice eerie Halloween color. Okay. I know you guys seen all these floral picks at the Dollar Tree. And we do have some pretty assortment of colors going on this year. We got for the Halloween season, for the fall season. Actually, these are all picks for the fall, from the fall season. Okay, I got them all cut now, and I'll go ahead and start the arrangement. I'm going to go ahead and put the bouquet together. Take some of the pansy, the aster, some of the mystery flower, some roses. There we go, and some pansies. Maybe another aster. Just go ahead, hold it in your hand. It's better to hang on to it. That way you can add to and you can take away as you go. That looks pretty good, huh? Well, maybe couple more flowers. Maybe another one of the mystery flower. And another aster. That looks good. Once you have your bouquet together, go ahead and tie the stems together. You can use a Chanel stem, which you can also get at the Dollar Tree. You can use floral wire, floral tape. And once you have everything all wrapped up and tied off, you go ahead and trim all your stems to the same length.
I'm going to go ahead and tie that.
Your bouquet is tied, go ahead and do a little refluffing if you need to. Tuck it into the skull waist there. And here is our arrangement. Everything from the Dollar Tree, our favorite store. Yeah, so pretty. I like that. Alright, go ahead, everyone. Go ahead and make your floral arrangements. Okay, here's our floral arrangement. Makes a pretty color. I like all the purples, blues, pinks. It all works really well with the color of the skull. Looks very, very pretty. I don't know, it's supposed to be spooky, but everything is just turning out just cute. You can always change your floral to match the style of your decor. And again, thank you for watching Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. Here I have a skull.